Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel GK Tech Insight. I am Gyan. Today we will explore the newest feature of Excel. But before we deep dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more updates. Let's get started. So this is my Excel sheet. In this I have multiple workbooks. Now I want to view different sheets, right? So how do I go there? I just click on this arrow and it takes me to the different sheets, and then I can open any one of the sheets. But there is one useful option, right, from the Excel out of the box, where you can view all the sheets in one single pane, right? So how you do that? Click on the menu view, click on this navigation. So you will see the entire workbook sheet, right? It will display it over here. Now I can click on the full name sheet, it will take me to the sheet. If I click on this employee list, it will take me to the number two. I have this image. Now I want to copy this content, right, in the Excel sheet. How do I do that? I can't copy paste from the image, but then there's one way you can read the data from the image and put it in the Excel sheet. How you do that? Go to the data menu, click on the picture, click on the picture from file, click on this picture, click on insert. Now it is analyzing your image and preparing your data for you. Now it after analyzing it, it identified few discrepancy which you can rectify it. So click on this red box, rectify your content, click on accept. Similarly for this one, the spelling mistake, you can click on content here, and then similarly there is no issue here, you can click on accept and then click on insert data, right? It copies the entire data from the image, so there is no manual work required here. All right. Number three. Now let's say you have this entire list, right? Now I want to copy entire thing in one column only. So how do you do that, right? So equal to call, select the entire array, round bracket, enter. So it copies entire value in one single column. Similarly, if you want to copy the entire value in one row only, right, you can do it two row, open bracket, select the entire array, close the bracket, enter. It will copy the entire row in single row. Number five. Now let's say I have this full name list. Now I want to segregate this into first name and last name, right? You can use one shortcut function, equal text split, select this word, press comma, space, close the bracket. It will split the first name and last name using the space delimiter, and then press this like this. All right. Now number six. Now I want to copy the content, right? Let's say I want to monitor the content from this particular sheet and this sheet. If anything gets changed, I want to view that in one single sheet only. Let's say maybe that sheet can be a sheet 9 here. Okay. So now how do I do that? So select the cell. Okay, before we do that, right, we have to go and enable that. So press right click on this, customize the ribbon, go ahead and create a new tab. Okay, then select this command not in the ribbon, go ahead and click on camera, add it over here, press OK. You will see this new tab here. Now what you need to do is select the row which you want to monitor or take the snapshot of it. Click that row, click on camera, sheet 9, click here, just place it properly here. Okay, similarly I want to copy it from 2023 also, select and then go to the camera, go to sheet 9, copy this. Now watch it out how it works. So let's say if I go and change any value here, so this values also get changed. this value gets changed. Now you will see this, even this also getting changed, right? So it is monitoring, or it's taking a snapshot of whatever it is getting changed. You can see the entire data in one single view.
That concludes today's session. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thank you for tuning into the video, and I look forward to see you in the next one. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.